Hey everyone, good afternoon. I'm Chief Meteorologist Darrell Winninger from the Central Oregon Daily Weather Center. We're about to take a quick look at your most reliable forecast. Today it was hot. Showers and thunderstorms have already started to develop and winds are starting to get gusty for parts of our Tri-County area. That's only increasing our fire danger conditions across the high desert. So let's go ahead and start off with your weather headlines for this Tuesday, July the 8th. A threat of dry lightning is definitely present. Now some of these thunderstorms over where the thunderstorm is training, that's where we're looking at heavy rain, but that lightning can reach pretty far out. We do have elevated fire danger, and then we're back into the 80s for a couple of days. So some big changes are on the way, starting off with what we're seeing this afternoon. Clouds across the high desert continue to push in for some, not quite for everybody. Pine Mountain and Shaniko both show more sunshine than clouds, but these thunderstorms did start to develop a couple of hours ago, and they are pushing to the north and the northeast gradually. And it looks like some of them are just meandering, but they are moving to that direction. And there is a cell just over Sun River, as well as a few in Crook County. A couple have pushed by Bend already. And south of Lapine, a couple of thunderstorms. There's a cluster down there that's producing frequent lightning. So we're tracking all of this and more. Look at this, though. Temperatures today topped out in the 90s with a few triple digits. This is where we're sitting right here and right now. So some of us have already dipped into the 80s where showers have been pushing through. Tonight, we cool into the 50s, and tomorrow will not be as hot on the high desert. So when we go ahead and look at your forecast model, those showers fizzle out, it dries out, and we have in and out clouds for a couple of days. This is when we get our dip in temperatures, followed by another cold front by Thursday. That'll be a dry front, though, and on the back side of it, we're back to more sunshine. So for tonight, 50s and a few 40s out there. In and out cover by Wednesday, more sunshine, afternoon clouds, 80s with a few 90s, and then we cool down to seasonal by Thursday. By Friday, temperatures start to turn around. Then we are back into the 90s, super dry, hot, sunny, and fire weather conditions back in the picture. That's the latest in weather. Join us tonight on Central Oregon Daily News while the latest headlines and your most reliable forecasts. See you then.